Get it together, Cairo. Now you guys got me pissed. Clanker V, get out of here. Wow. All right, guys. We are out here with another episode of Aaron Sucks at the New Skate Game. But we're going to play it anyways. We are going to roll through this challenge right here. Own the spot. How do we do this? Oh, yeah, like that. Best sequence, manual, double flip, 360 spin, all of the above in one sequence. Should we start the co-op?
Feeling up to a challenge?
Boom.
This one's got your name written all over it.
Okay, so we got to do a manual and a double flip. Body. Oh, like that. Okay. I did a manual. I guess I didn't do a manual because I didn't really manual it. Oh, it was sick. Shut it down. Manual backside 360 kickflip. Look at that. If that tree wasn't in the way. Braille skater. Follow me on PlayStation. Join the Discord server. What's up, bro? Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to do that. Okay, see this rail right here? What are you guys sniffing? Backtail. Do a dragon flip. Can you dragon flip in this game? Leave it in the comments below if you can dragon flip. Okay, kickflip, backtail. First try. Oof. That was so good. Kickflip, backtail. First try. Let's go. What? So sick. You know what's hard to do in this game? Oh. Double kickflip, backside no slide, nollie, double kickflip, 270 out. The game says 180, but let's face it, I was really at 270. What? I would deserve that because I just did the best trick ever. They're saying in the chat that level 2 is really bad. I got to do my missions. You're saying we need to level up, eh? All right. You think I don't know how to level up? What's this right here? Backflip, first try. Why is it so good when he just bodies like that? When in doubt, roll it out. Triple flip, trick over the shrubs, grind the big handrail, grab between the flagpoles, all of the above in an attempt.
This line challenge is pretty low key. I'm thinking you'll crush it.
Okay, you clanker. Let's clank it. Okay. Grab between the flagpoles. Oh, kickflip method. Grind the handrail. Well, it was so sick. And a grab between these shrubs. Ooh. Guys, I don't know if you've been seeing this line. Bodied. Oh, triple flip between the shrubs. Wow, that was good landing. I'll take it. Give me the knack here. Wow. That was butter. Wow, with this steezy grab. And the backflip to shut it down. Do you hate clankers? Bro, we hating the clankers all day, all night. Okay, we're done with that. What level am I supposed to be at, guys? Probably go to something like this over there, right? Okay. We're gonna do this. Clean grinds, manual, 3 trick sequence, all of the above an attempt. I absolutely love it. What? This is literally San Francisco. You guys know these ledges are in San Francisco. This is a good line. I'll put this straight in the video part, y'all. Okay, right here, kickflip back 5-0. Kickflip out, yes. Manual, nose grind. Okay, let's go. Front nose slide. Okay, blunt slide, I'll take it. No. Now you guys got me pissed. Okay, that was sick, and I will take that. Get it together, Cairo. I've never done a kickflip back 5-0, kickflip out. I've done it front side, but not backside. Oh, that was sick. Okay, can't believe I landed that. Proud of myself. And one more. Kickflip back nose grind. Nollie shove. Good line. Shut it down. We're leveling up, boy. Okay, done. Okay, we gotta find the next mission, guys. We gotta level up. What is that thing? So let's see what we got on this 58 star first try, eh? Wait for it. Early grab to body. Actually, you know what I should do is take my... Yes, there it was. But also what I want to do is I want to wall ride this. I guess that's as fast as I can go. I'm 100% taking that. Straight nutsack, straight to the rail. Oof. We found it down the drain. Total score, grinds, manuals in the fountain. I don't even see a place to manual or grind anywhere. Okay, let's go. Tray flip. Ooh, varial flip, nose manual. Nollie back heel out. Dude, that was sick. Okay, now I need to grind it? How do you grind it? Oh, it means like grind this part. How do you like SF? I love SF, it's awesome. It's one of the most beautiful cities. Boom, killed it. Okay, now we just gotta get the score. Ooh, that's my favorite grab, by the way. Little Japan air action. Let's go, let's backflip this score to. Thank you. Come on, get me a 360, please. I want to go to that one, which I don't think I've ever done before. Right here, literally. Why though? Okay, we going. Caveman, flip trick to spread eagle. Hit wooden planters on the left, hit rooftops on the right.
Kickflip off the Y, dismount, then do some spread eagling to hit those rooftop targets.
This is the best challenge I've ever seen in my whole life. Caveman, into it. Ouch. Why did it say I nailed it? I didn't nail anything. It didn't even land. Flip trick to spread eagle. What's the spread eagle? Oh, I think I need to be like that, right? Is that spread eagle? Wow. I really bounced right there. Oh. Yes. We got to land this somewhere. Oof. Hit wooden planters on the left. Hit rooftops on the right. Wooden planters. Where are they? Oh, right there. Right there. Oh, dang. This wasn't quite high enough. This is a really tough challenge. Probably the hardest one I've ever done. Oh, yeah. We're nailing this. We're going far planter. Furthest one away. Bingo! We're going to get them all. Ouch. Can you imagine what that would do to your spinal cord? Hit the rooftops on the right. I'm getting better at this game, y'all. What's going on there, but we'll take it and straight into that guy, and we're gonna get this rooftop, gang. How are you kidding me? No, I'm running out of time. I can't believe this happened to me. All right, Clanker V, get out of here. Skip, I'm doing it again. What is happening? What? Okay, good. We got this. Houston, we got a rooftop. You hit your first drop in today. So well done. Good job. Keep skating. Keep dropping in. Keep the dream alive. And boom. Okay. I think I might have done the flip trick there. Okay. We got it. Flip trick, spread eagle done. Hit the rooftops on the right. Now we just have to hit the wooden planters and we're in there. And you guys said I couldn't do it. Okay. Planter City. First one's first. Straight in. Let's go. Can we make that planter? Oh, it was so close. Did I count it? Did I count it? Dude, shut it down. It counted it. Fully shut it down. We're done with that one. We're done. We nailed it. And we can just like play here a little bit because I like this. Give me a backflip up on this bad boy. Backflip Christ air. Take that, atheists. We're still going, guys. Oops. I think I'm pretty good on this one. I think I want to go to another area, maybe do another challenge. How you feeling about it? Maybe that challenge. What up, Goofy Goober? Kickflip, bro. Come on, give me a kickflip. Double heel flip. Thank you. First try. Let's run it, Goobs. You ready? Oh, yeah. Get the wall ride. Get the wall ride. I want to do one of those things that I see them doing on Instagram where they like hit the building, they wall ride off, and then they go to another building and land something like this. Okay, wait. Like that. Like, could I land that? Okay, there's got to be a place. Oh, yeah, maybe right here. Oh, like, is that possible? Okay, that kind of worked out. Prepare. See if we can land on this ramp.
Stop it. Get some help.
Okay. Oh, I think I see a better place. I think I see a better place to land, you guys. See that right in the mid there? Right in the mid section? Oh, I just missed it though. Okay, we're flying to that ramp in the middle. Is this ramp enough transition to land it? Yeah, I think you might be right. I think it just might be too small. Maybe I'm gonna need to go off of this side, over here, and find somewhere to land. What the heck happened right there? Okay, where can we land? Where can we land? I don't see anywhere, guys. I literally don't see anywhere. Why can't you just land on that street? Like, is that street not good enough? Okay, well, we're here now. We're gonna just do another challenge and see if we can get some rip chips. Okay, right here, we got it. Holy lokes. Okay, flip tricks, grind the statue, all the above in an attempt. Goofy Goober's here. I guess that means we start the co-op. Oh, I don't think I've ever done this one before. This is sick. Okay, Goofy Goob, let's run this. What the heck is going on there? I think Jason Park skated this statue in his video part. What are we supposed to do here? I don't know. Oh, grind it? Freaking missed it. Are you serious? Oh, this is one of my favorite parts in the whole game, though. This like set of stairs. Clearly I'm showing how good I am at this. Keep playing to complete all the goals. Yeah, because I didn't do nothing. Okay, flip tricks 5, grind the statue. Okay. Wow, Goofy Goober first try. Okay, that was pretty sick though, I'm not gonna lie. Shout out Goofy Goober 23, you're legendary. Did that give me some rip chips though? I do kind of like this spot right here with all these stairs. Okay, let's see if we can get like a pretty sick line down all this. Backside infinite flip into the rail, thank you. Let's tray flip the set. Actual tray flip, I actually did it. Frontside 360, which was sick. Onto the rail, thank you very much. How did you not get that back lip? Okay, infinite kickflip, infinite front shove, infinite heel flip, and backside flip. Ouch, why'd you have to hit that rail though? I was doing so good. Goofy Goober's setting up a rail down there. No way. Okay, let's go. Infinite kickflip, infinite heel flip. Yes, I did it. Got the whole line. Ollie, no barking. Okay, where's the next challenge? Let's go get that. This is a jump challenge. Okay, let's run it. Let's run it. Making the news. Okay, total score, flip tricks, grind distance.
Feel the flow with this one. Session challenges give you the time to enjoy yourself.
Come on, be a good old clanker, yeah. Let's get this. First try. Get that grind. You know you will. Nose grind. Sick. Okay, let's run it. Nose grind. Wow, big spin out. Nollie shove to whatever that was. I love how pliable and bendable your back is in this game. Like, it just goes. Wow, we did it. First try. Now we just got to get the score. How could I get all that without a good score? Oh yeah, I needed to do this part. Frontside flip out in the middle. Nope. Double flip out though. Let's go kick flip front nose grind. Well, missed the kick flip. Let's see if we can get a back flip grind. Yes. I don't know what happened there, but it was legendary. Come on, clanker. Nah, we're done with that. What challenge do we want to do next? Probably that one. Also, the other thing I don't totally understand about this game is how there's like different places. Okay, so if I go to that, I can activate it in person. You promise? Oh, boom, right here. We got it. Let's run this.
Lining up for a line challenge?
Lining up for a line challenge? Keep skating, yo. Okay, let's see what we got. See if we can get this first try. Manual? Manual? Why does he stop on a manual? Like, it doesn't work like that in real life. If I have that much speed and I'm doing a manual, I'm not gonna stop. Tray flip manual. Sick double flip off. Take it. See if we can nose manu this. Nollie heel out, please and thank you. Good line. Indeed it was. Shut it down. Indeed I did. Hey, what's your name and where are you from? My name is Aaron Cairo, and I am a sponsored skateboarder from the San Francisco Bay Area. Another challenge? Oh, there's one right behind me. Oh no, this is not one that's like on top of the building, is it? Am I gonna have to climb? Yep, looks like it's up there. I think this game is cool because I think there are more people that are going to learn to ride a skateboard now because of this game, because I think it's getting more people started, which I really think is sick.
Quite suitable for establishing that you are not a one-trick pony.
Well, I kind of am a one-trick pony, but we'll do our best, V, you clanker. You still skate? Yes, of course. Skate and make videos every single day. No matter how many times I go live every single day. I still have to answer the question every single day. If I still make videos, does Braille still exist? And do I still skate? The answer is yes. Yes, and yes, skateboarding is awesome. That is true. Why do I keep doing that? Okay, collect all bearings, 3 flip tricks on the planter, and 3 grinds. Okay, this should be easy. Okay, planter, 3 flip tricks. How good quality are Braille boards? They're really good. They're Paul Schmidt sticks. The thing to understand about skateboards, guys, is that most of them come from the same place. So they're literally the same board with different graphics. What about Dave Mirra BMX game? I never played that one. Sounds pretty fun though. Dave Mirra's pretty rad. Okay. Okay. Good line. We got it. And then we're right into a pretty sick rail on the other side. Shut it down, indeed. We shut it down. And we're good. We're done with that. Okay, let's run this. Session marker place. Let's go. You taught all of us how to ollie. Yes, much love. Ah, now all I want to do is switch heel, back tail this rail. What? Switch heel, back tail, laser flip. Guys, how do I replay it? Imagine how hard this is in real life. Like, shout out Nigel Houston. Trick of the day, nose blunt, 2 of 3. Wow, that was sick. Let's go nose blunt. Wow. Do a coffin on the rail. How do you coffin? What the heck happened? I'm down and I can't get up. Wow. Somebody asked if I could Christ air, and I literally just did Christ air backflip backsmith. Monkey 720 has come online. Monkey, you're back. Wow, that was sick. Wow, into the blunt. Legendary. You should collab with Tony Hawk. Much love. I agree. All right, guys, we leveled up. We beat the challenge. That was super, super fun. Thanks to everybody who joined into my game and joined in my stream. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you, yes, you, we'll see you in the next video.